Thermador speed ovens are fast, versatile, and built to impress, and they will be your guide to smarter, faster cooking. Thermador speed ovens combine microwave and convection power to cook faster and more evenly, perfect for everything from quick meals to crowd-pleasing dishes, all without sacrificing flavor. Discover unmatched versatility with the Thermador Speed Oven. This 30-inch wide powerhouse combines convection baking, broiling, microwaving, all into one sleek unit. It's like having a culinary Swiss Army knife built right into your kitchen. With 10 microwave power levels and multiple cooking modes like true convection, keep warm, speed convection, broil, and convection broil, it's built to handle just about anything. That spacious 1.6 cubic foot capacity makes it perfect for everything from crispy leftovers to cooking full meals like pasta dishes and pizza with ease. Thermador's Cook Smart feature takes the guesswork out of your cooking. Simply select the food type and weight, and the oven automatically adjusts for perfect results. No preheating required. And with step-by-step instructions displayed right on the screen, Cook Smart makes meals effortless, even for beginners. The 36 auto programs offer faster cooking times designed for your needs, such as cooking frozen foods or broiling. Their microwave feature alone has a ton of programs like beverage, sensor cook, sensor reheat, auto defrost, melting butter and chocolate, to softening ice cream, pizza, and of course, popcorn. From melting butter to defrosting your frozen goods, the Speed Oven provides a multitude of pre-programmed modes to meet all of your needs. You'll be able to combine the microwave operation with convection or broiling heating modes for even faster cooking and of course, more delicious results. Many pair their Thermador Speed Oven with a warming drawer to keep dishes at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. Prefer extra storage? A built-in storage drawer is also available, and it's ideal for keeping things like baking sheets, pots, and pans organized and within reach. And there are two different styles to choose from, the first being here, the Masterpiece. Available for standard or flush installations into kitchen cabinets, this 30-inch wide drop-down door speed oven only comes in stainless steel. The Masterpiece is known for its sleek touchscreen display and brushed stainless steel handles for a modern design. The second and final option that Thermador provides is the Professional, pictured here. The Professional style features a very popular tactile knob and bold brushed stainless steel handles with those chrome standoffs on the end of their drop-down door. There are options here as well for both a standard or flush installation. So, the next time you're looking for a speed oven, be sure to check out Thermador. And be sure to hit the subscribe button for more appliance insights, or stop by our showrooms to see these in action right for yourself.